Welcome to my channel. This is chapter trigonometry for standard 10. This is part 4. So continuing with our problems. Here it is given tan theta is equal to 5 by 6 and theta plus alpha is equal to 90 degrees. What is the value of cot alpha? So theta plus alpha is equal to 90. So we have to find cot alpha. So alpha is equal to 90 minus theta. Now cot alpha is equal to cot 90 minus theta. We'll make here alpha equal to 90 minus theta. So we'll do cot alpha and cot, it is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus theta, complementary angles we have learned. So it is tan theta. Therefore cot alpha is equal to cot alpha is equal to 5 by 6. Now here it is in a triangle. It is given QR is equal to 9 centimeters and PR minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Now we have to find sin R plus cos R. So we'll just give the values of PR and PQ as x and y, and QR is already given 9. So PR minus PQ. So x minus y equal to 1. It is given. So from this we can write y equal to x minus 1. Therefore x squared equal to x squared is equal to y squared plus 81. Pythagoras theorem. Now x squared is equal to, now we will substitute y equal to x minus 1 here, plus 81. Simplify it. So from this you will get x is equal to, so x is equal to 41. Therefore y equal to 40. Substitute in this y equal to x minus 1, you will get y equal to 40. So y is 40 and x is equal to 41. Therefore sin R is equal to sin R is equal to y by x, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. So y by x, that is 40 by 41. Cos R is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So 9 by 41. Now you have to find sin R plus cos R. So sin R plus cos R is equal to 40 by 41 plus 9 by 41 equal to 49 by 41. Now here it is given tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. These are identities. Now using this identity we have to find the value of tan 75. We have to use suitable values of A and B. So here we can 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. So tan 75 can be written as tan 45 plus 30. So now we will use this identity. Tan 45 plus tan 30. So A is 45 and B is 30 by 1 minus tan 45, tan 45 and tan 30. Is equal to tan 45 is 1 plus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3. 1 minus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you get this as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. You can rationalize this. So you will get root 3 plus 1 the whole squared by root 3 the whole squared minus 1 squared. So this is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1. So 4 plus 2 root 3. So you take the 2 common out. So you will get 2 plus 2 into root 3 plus 2 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You get 2 plus root 3. So the value of tan 75 is 2 plus root 3. Now here it is given sin A is equal to 1 by root 5 and sin B is equal to 1 by root 10. Now you have to again use another, this is again another identity. With that you have to show A plus B equal to 45 degrees. So now we have to use the identity sin squared A plus cos squared A equal to 1. We are going to use this identity. So here it is, in this identity you have cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. Sin A, sin B is given. Now we have to find cos A and cos B. So cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sin squared A. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 5 the whole squared. So 1 minus 1 by 5. So it will be 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1 4 by 5. So 2 by root 5. Similarly sin A is equal to root of 1 minus sin squared sin B. Cos B you have to find. One minus sin squared B is equal to root of again 1 minus 1 by root 10 the whole squared. So this will be 3 by root 10. Now we will find cos A plus B. Substitute the value of cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B here. So cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So this will be 5 minus 1 4 by root 50. So this will be 4, 5 minus 4 by 50. Root 50 can be written as root of 25 into 2. So it is 5 root 2. So it is 5 root 2. Sorry, here the 3 into 2, 6 minus 1, 5 it is. I'm sorry. So 5 by 5 root 2. So 5 and 5 get cancelled. You will get 1 by root 2. Now you got cos a plus b equal to 1 by root 2. Now we know the values cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, a plus b equal to 45 degrees. Now here it is given sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. So we can write sin theta equal to cos theta. So we know sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now we'll find sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to, now sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 the whole to the power of 4 plus 1 by root 2 the whole to the power of 4. So it is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Hope it's clear. We'll go to the next problem. Now here it is given cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Now you have to show that 1 minus cos squared theta by 2 minus sin squared theta is equal to 3 by 5. So here we will divide the LHS by sin theta. So 1 minus cos squared theta LHS is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta by sin squared theta divided by no, we'll do it in a different way. Now tan theta is equal to root 3. So from this you can find the value of theta. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So now we can use cos, you can find cos 60 and sin 60. So cos 60 will be half and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So here LHS is equal to, so 1 minus cos squared theta by 2 minus sin squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared 60 is 1 by 4. I'll write it. 1 by 2 the whole squared minus 2 minus root 3 by 2 the whole squared. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 by 2 minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So 3 by 5. To simplify, this is equal to RHS. Now here it is given tan B equal to 12 by 5. Find the angle, find sin B. So tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is 12, adjacent side is 5. Now we will find BC is equal to, so now this is 90 root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. So it is 13. So sin B is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13.